guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Our topic for today is interfacing ultrasonic sensor plus LED plus buzzer with Raspberry Pi 3. Before we start, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so you will be updated every time I post new videos. What is ultrasonic sensor used for? Ultrasonic sensor uses sonar to determine the distance of an object just like the bats do. It offers excellent non-contact range detection with high accuracy and stable readings in an easy-to-use package from 2 cm to 400 cm. Ultrasonic sensor has 4-pin interface named as VCC, trigger, echo, and ground. This is the materials that we need for this activity: Raspberry Pi 3, breadboard, LED, jumper wire, buzzer, and the ultrasonic sensor. First, we're going to insert the ultrasonic sensor into the breadboard. Next is we are using white jumper wire to connect from 5 volts into the VCC of ultrasonic sensor. We are now going to use red jumper wire to connect from GPIO 18 into the trigger of ultrasonic sensor. We are going to use another red jumper wire to connect from GPIO 24 into the echo of ultrasonic sensor. Next is we are going to use black jumper wire to connect from ground into the negative side of breadboard. And another black jumper wire to connect from negative into the ground of ultrasonic sensor. We are now going to insert the LED into the breadboard. Next is we are using black jumper wire to connect from negative into the negative terminal of LED. We are going to use red jumper wire to connect from GPIO 2 to the positive terminal of LED. We are going to insert the ground of buzzer into the negative side of breadboard. Next is we are going to use red jumper wire to connect from GPIO 3 into the breadboard. And connect the positive of buzzer into the red jumper wire that is connected in GPIO 3. This is the final result of connecting the materials. Next is the code.
When the ultrasonic sensor detects object, the buzzer will turn off and the LED will turn on. And when there is no object, the LED will turn off and the buzzer will turn on.
Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye!